Hi, my name is Yael Sarai Alonso-López, and I'm excited to share my experience from the 2025 Summer Immersion Program, where I had the privilege of working with Dr. Daniela Bruno, who is the data advisor of Fresno, Madera, and Kings Counties. I'm originally from Colombia, where I studied veterinary medicine at the National University of Colombia. Since college, I have been passionate about caring for newborn animals, foals, calves, lambs, and kids. Now I'm pursuing my PhD in animal biology at the University of California, Davis. Last year, during the 2024 Summer Work Experience Program, I had the chance to connect with farm workers, data advisors, veterinarians, and research teams across California. Our project focused on maternity management, examining how calves are cared during their critical first hours and days of life. One of the most valuable parts of that experience was interviewing maternity workers. As I mentioned last year, I learned that my Spanish and even small gestures like listening carefully and helping out help building trust and open doors for meaningful conversations. This year, I face a new challenge. How can we communicate our findings in a way that truly resonate with farm workers? And how can we answer their questions clearly without overwhelming them? My main project was writing a newsletter article on neonatal calf care, focusing on navel stone management and how it can impact calf health and performance. Along the way, I received valuable feedback from my colleagues and mentors that helped me to improve not just the content, but how I explain complex topics to a broader audience. A key part of this process was working with an incredible graphic designer. She asked thoughtful questions about the biological concepts I wanted to illustrate, and her perspective helped me to realize that there are multiple ways to make educational materials clearer and more accessible. Through this experience, I learned how to communicate scientific ideas more clearly, how to collaborate across disciplines, and how to adapt content to meet the needs of a specific audience. These skills I hope to carry forward as a future teacher, researcher, and mentor. I'm incredibly grateful to Dr. Bruno and Dr. Silvia Rio for their guidance this summer, as well as to all my colleagues and the graphic designer who helped me bring these ideas to life. And above all, I want to thank the farm workers who welcomed me into their routines and shared their insights. This experience has been deeply meaningful to my personal and professional growth. Thank you.